Hello, hello. I've got an unpacking for you, as it were. Hey, this just arrived. As you can see, it's still sealed. It is the MarsAqua LCD Digital Aquarium Thermometer Fish Tank Water Terrarium Temperature. That's the name actually on Emily's on the listing. And it's $6.99. That's it, which is pretty good. Prime shipping. Now, I have a fish tank, of course, but I have one of those types of thermometers, the sticky ones you stick on the outside of the tank, and it's not the greatest. And I've always wanted a better one, but I've never got one, just for whatever reason. I never did. So when I was asked to review one, I said sure, why not? So this is it here. Not much to it. It's fairly basic. It's powered by an LR44 button cell battery. Basic stuff here. On the back gives you instructions. Again, you can do it in Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is nice. It comes with, this is the thermometer itself here, or the display for it. The probe is down here. Power button, Fahrenheit, Celsius. You can switch it over. Apparently the battery is already in it, even though the instructions say you need to put the battery in. But there's the battery in there. And the idea here is you stick this part, the probe or the display part, on the outside of your tank, and then you drop the probe down into your tank to monitor the water temperature, which is nice. There's a little suction cup here as well, so it sticks to, you can stick it on the glass all the way down. I have a 20-gallon high tank with a few fish in it, just basic tropical fish, nothing, no sea or nothing like that, saltwater. But $6.99 Amazon. Curious to see how it works. It's nice and small. It's unobtrusive, which is something I like. I'm just gonna put it up in a corner of my tank, and that'll be it. But I'm curious when I check it and see how it is with another thermometer, see how accurate it is. But that's about it. It's simple. MarsAqua LCD Digital Aquarium Thermometer. That's it. Thanks.